Hello, hi. So I'm back with a video, and it's basically about the design isn't dying; it's just changing. So I want to start with a conversation which I had recently with a designer who has been in the industry for like uh about 40 years, and just in a single company. Um, actually in my company, and I talked to her, and I wanted to know about what's happening and how was her journey, and um, like after 40 years being in the same company, uh, how was it like? um, yeah, like no job switches, no chasing of like I don't want to work in this niche, let's do something else, or like getting bored of working in just one domain, um, work feeling monotonous, so much transitioning happening. How did she just was there for this 40 years, 42 years? Um, yeah, so I did talk to her, and you know, her experience actually kind of, motivated me in a bit. Um, so when she told about designing, and like how did she start, because at that point of that time, like 40 years back, there was nothing known as UX designing, right? um it was just, I don't know, that time designing was not even a thing. So when she started off, she didn't do these things. It was a normal job. She started in this company, and then eventually she did copy, some technical writing. Then she got interested into graphic work, so she picked up some graphic work. uh, and at that point of time, computers were not even in picture. So like so computer came in that time, and then basically she told me she remembered that one of like in the company somebody made the first app, um, not like a mobile app, like a web app. And she saw there's 30 icons sitting there, and she was like, it doesn't seem right. So she printed it out, cut the pieces of all the icons, and just redesigned it, uh, and just placed it together in like pen and paper. And yeah, from there her kind of UX journey started, because she got interested into it. And yeah, and then it's actually history, right? So yeah, just I wanted to say about that journey that no Figma, no design systems, no structured processes. It was just about your passion and your curiosity of solving things, um, like solving anything, like not even just which was in like on your computer. It was uh, in general in design. And I guess most of us as designers are always very curious about things, and I guess that makes us a designer, that we always want to think that why this happened, um, why this is working in a this way. So we want answers. Like that's, I feel I am personally that way. And it is never about you designing for a company, like making screens, making a flow, making anything, like any feature you're working on, um any system you're working on. It's more about what a designer brings in the table, um rather than um rather than what people are saying on the internet, that AI is killing. AI can't kill you. um, it can never kill you, it can never kill your curiosity. And how do you think, and how do you think for the users? um yeah, so I really wanted to touch upon what's happening in this whole situation where every other Twitter or um, Reddit post is about designers' career is going to be over with every new tool coming in. For example, Stitch or Cloud Code. Um, yeah, so as for example, taking the story what I right now told, that about a designer who was in a company for 40 years, and there were a lot of transition which happened during those 40 years. Like, she wasn't even a designer, she became a designer, then computers came in, then after 10 years maybe Photoshop came in. Then she got a chance to actually work on a physical product. Um, yeah, so things right now, when while she is retiring, it's about AI and how a prompt is actually making you stuff, like making us more powerful to make designs. So she saw it all in these 40 years, and it was her transition. But right now, where I am standing with like 4 to 5 years in the industry in UI UX, I feel that um, this is also like a transition for us. um, yeah, like for example, back then it was like computers coming in. I feel for us it's AI coming in and enabling us to do better. um, and it I feel, as it is a creative space, uh, things will always keep on coming. It won't be that you it is not like a work where you say that x is equal to y, or no, sorry, x is equal to x, and your work is over. Designing has never been that way, and it has always kept on evolving. And that's what I like about this profession, right? it never it's never stagnant, that things are not coming in, or like it's not it's not that it's the same thing you're doing again and again for 5 years, 10 years, and there is no kind of evolvement in it. Design before AI also evolved a lot, um, because it was just getting started. Like, I used to design firstly in Photoshop, then I moved to Adobe XD, then I moved to Figma. And before AI came into picture, I was actually learning Framer as well. So there was always scope of learning. um, like anything, like because it's not that it's stagnant, it's always that new things are coming into picture, and you have to keep yourself updated with it. And it actually makes you like gives you the opportunity to keep on learning, uh, plus exploring new things, so that what you're working doesn't become like so like same every other day, that you're doing the same thing again and again. uh, it actually gives you a space that you keep on learning, like keep on learning. So maybe this transition, AI transition, will go off, mostly, maybe, let's assume. um, and then it will come to some other space, maybe, that some other thing is coming in the picture of design. So it will always keep on changing uh, in the span of 2 to 3 years, I feel. um, and it's I feel design is um, not about tools, it's not about job title. um, it's about curiosity. it's about taste, it's about how could I make this better, um, how could I help users out in any manner, how, where is the problem, how do I solve this problem. So it goes back to the crux of what a designer does. uh, but yeah, of course AI is not something you can ignore, um, because yeah, it's in out everywhere, and you have to learn it, um, maybe not today but maybe day after, uh, and you can take your time actually learning it and understanding how do I use what. um, yeah, so I feel how we can control this is that, are we learning, are we staying curious, are we getting better at what we do. And if the answer to these are yes, I think so. No shift like AI or in future, whatever shift it comes, it can't completely replace you. It might change your how you design. It might change the speed of your work. Maybe it becomes lesser. Like for example, if you spend a day making something, maybe you will spend just half a day. But it will never erase the value what you bring to the table. Like I don't think so it's possible. uh, and one more thing what I got from this conversation which I had with this colleague was that, uh, at the end you're not married to like a job title or a company. You're married to yourself, right? And if you have the skills, you have the skills to adapt. If you have your perspective, that will always stay, you will always stay. So yeah, I feel we should remember that more often. And maybe maybe every generation of designers feel in the same way like we are feeling. So yeah, I wanted to end this with that design isn't dying, or like UI UX design career is not dying. It's transforming, and just like it always has, but this time maybe it's something known as AI. Yeah, so instead of fearing it or like being like what will happen, because I was thinking what will happen and everything, I feel we should observe, we should adapt, we should create more. These three things, and I feel you're sorted. So yeah, so I hope we figure this out, and uh, I hope things are good for everyone. And if anyone has lost jobs because of AI, I have like, if we can get in touch, or um, you can reach out to me and we can talk about it. I can see that if I can help you in any manner. Uh, yeah, and yeah, I guess this was it. I hope things are good with every designer, and they evolve, and they're happy with what they are doing, with what they always wanted to do. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.